Hello family and friend, welcome to Cooking with Chef Khalil. Today, I'm gonna tell you why I call Australia home. Australia is a beautiful island surrounded by oceans and a lot of secret in that beautiful water. One of them is Tasmanian salmon. Let me tell you, that Tasmanian salmon right fresh out of the sea is little you have to do to make it tasty. So I'm gonna do that little bit and make that dish complete. So we get this filleted, portioned salmon already ready to go to your pan. So I'm going to serve my salmon today with a beautiful fresh produce that's from the local supermarket. So first we got the salmon here, and we have this beautiful peeled carrot. And the way how I'm going to do this is just simply just slice it up and have it prepared to be roasted. So I'm adding all my vegetable in a roasting pan right there. Beautiful red capsicum. The way how I'm going to do this, you gotta wanna clear out this seeds. You don't want that really. So we're clearing out the seeds out this and slicing it. And when you slice that, you want to keep the curving side in the bottom so you can be in control of your capsicum. So here we go, your capsicum already. Next thing, I'm serving beautiful pumpkin. Check this out. I cut that pumpkin half, and the one part I'm gonna serve is no seeds and no skin. So I'm gonna show you how to cut this real quick. Right there, get a small one piece, and you also doing this, cut it half, the square piece like that, and take off the skin, just as simple as put it in your roasting pan. Pumpkin, so here we go. Just season it a little bit with some salt and peppers, just like that. And here is my beautiful pepper. I like that pot, by the way. Check this out. Bam, 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 bam. And some beautiful oil, and we in business. So what do you want to do? Have a generous amount of oil to just give it a nice cooking method in this case. So shake it a little bit, a little parsley for more colors. So we get our beautiful roasted vegetable all mixed together, and we're gonna just put it in the oven at 350 degrees for around 10 to 15 minutes. While this cooking, we're gonna do the salmon. So here we go. Now we have our vegetable inside the oven roasting nicely. We're gonna season that salmon and have it seared in a beautiful hot pan. So what you're doing is you season both sides with just a little bit of sea salt. Sea salt is amazing for this salmon, and we're gonna crack some cracked black peppers right on the top of this baby, right here, both sides, and then straight into your searing pan. So here we go, have that in a low flame, and just like that, and just get the skin down and flip right there. At this going, you sear in one side, and you're gonna flip the other side as well. So here is one side seared, and you wanted that beautiful golden color on the top of your skin. You don't want it to overcook, and you don't want it to be brown. So this is just amazing golden color where you just have it on. And now is the moment when you ask yourself, how do you want this salmon to be cooked? Do you want it raw, medium raw, or well done? Many people, I'm one of them, who like it medium. Not too well, not too raw, just pink. And now I'm gonna place that in the oven, and I'm gonna show you how to do the sauce that make all this dish just come on. So now I'm gonna show you this amazing sauce that works perfectly with this salmon and vegetable. It's lemon, butter, and caper sauce. So we start with some vegetable stocks, just like that, right in your pan, and beautiful capers, and a lemon. What you want to do is just not having any seeds inside your sauce. So you just literally just give it a few squeeze, just like that. And I'm gonna finish the whole lot with dill. Dill, salmon, capers, and lemon. That dish is amazing. I'm gonna finalize the whole thing with butter and let it all mix together. Season it, salt and peppers, and have your sauce cook while the salmon is all on and everything in the oven is gonna come on your plate. Everything looking beautiful and we're ready to plate. So here is the carrot capsicum and our beautiful pumpkin. What a beautiful, colorful dish, let me tell you now. We haven't yet got the beautiful salmon outside the oven and they're already looking good. So here is our salmon. Looks even better and beautiful. That salmon look amazing the way it is with the colors and vegetables. Now you put it all together. And check this out, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time to finish up the amazing dish with the capers, butter, and lemon sauce. Just like that. Dill for decoration and lemon. Just like that. Here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I call love on the plate.